Is your PC feeling slow or taking longer to load files? Over time, drives can become fragmented or unoptimized, reducing performance. In this video, I'll show you how to use Disk Defrag feature to keep your HDD or SSD running at top speed in 2 ways in just a few clicks. Method 1. Use Windows Server built-in defrag tool. Step 1. Type defrag in the search bar on the lower left of the desktop. Step 2. Select Defragment and Optimize Drives under Best Match. Step 3. In the pop-up window, click on Change Settings for scheduled optimization. Step 4. Now tick the option Run a schedule, and then you're able to set frequency for defrag and choose which drives to defrag. After these steps, click on OK to save the changes. Method 2. Auto Defrag by AOMEI Partition Assistant. Step 1. Install and launch AOMEI Partition Assistant. Wait until all disks and partitions appear on the home interface, and then right-click the disk and choose Disk Defrag. Step 2. In the Disk Defrag window, click on the Schedule button. Step 3. Now you can choose which drive to defrag and decide whether to run a defrag daily, weekly, or monthly. Then, you can consider presetting on what conditions to defrag. Besides preset how often your hard drives should be defragged, you can set whether to defrag at startup or logon. Defragmenting your computers helps organize the data in the hard drives and improve its performance tremendously, especially in terms of speed. If your computer is running slower than before, it might be caused by fragmentation where a defrag is required.